Once upon a time in a magical land, there lived a kind and wise king named King Leo. King Leo was not just any king. He was known as the big-hearted king because of his enormous heart and his love for all creatures, big and small. King Leo's kingdom was a place of wonder and delight. The fields were lush and green, and the forests were teeming with colorful birds and friendly animals. But what made King Leo's kingdom truly special was the annual Great Friendship Festival. Every year, on a bright and sunny day, King Leo would throw a grand festival. It was a time when all the creatures in the kingdom, from the tiniest ants to the biggest elephants, came together to celebrate their friendship. There were games, music, and delicious food for everyone to enjoy. One year, as the festival approached, King Leo received a message from a neighboring kingdom. The neighboring king was not as kind as King Leo, and he had decided to take over King Leo's land. He sent a message demanding that King Leo surrender his kingdom. King Leo was faced with a difficult decision. He could fight to protect his kingdom, but that would mean a war, and he didn't want anyone to get hurt. Instead, he had an idea. He decided to invite the neighboring king to the Great Friendship Festival. When the neighboring king arrived, he was amazed by the beauty of King Leo's kingdom and the happiness of the creatures living there. He was welcomed with open arms, and he saw the joy of friendship that filled the air. As the festival went on, the neighboring king couldn't help but be touched by the kindness and warmth of King Leo and his people. He realized that taking over this kingdom would mean destroying something truly precious. In the end, the neighboring king had a change of heart. He approached King Leo and said, "I see now that friendship and kindness are more valuable than any kingdom. I withdraw my demand, and I wish for peace between our lands." King Leo smiled, his big heart filled with joy. He agreed to the peace, and the two kings shook hands, sealing their newfound friendship. The neighboring king even joined in the festivities, and together, they danced, laughed, and celebrated with all the creatures of the kingdom. From that day on, King Leo's kingdom flourished even more, not just because of its beauty, but because of the love and friendship that filled every corner. And the Great Friendship Festival became a symbol of the power of kindness and understanding. And so, children, always remember the story of King Leo, the big-hearted king, and how his kindness and friendship changed the world. It's a reminder that even in the face of challenges, love and compassion can conquer all.